WTI was a very good fit for me in the aspect that it helped me work around my schedule as a single parent and being able to work and incorporate my further education and being able to better myself and my life and my family. My classroom experiences, I enjoyed being engaged with the instructor. The instructors here at WTI were phenomenal. I love the career services at WTI. They help me with my resume, they help me with my references, they help me find a job, they sent me notifications constantly on places that were hiring. They kept me up to date, they kept me linked in to the different positions that I was looking for. If I had a friend that was wanting to go back to school, I would definitely recommend WTI as my very first choice. WTI has changed my life in so many ways, and I know that if I had someone who was looking for that kind of change, this would be the place that they would need to go. It was the best decision that I've ever made.